South Asia is home to over 1/5 of the world's population and is known to be the most disaster-prone region in the world. The high rates of population growth and natural resource degradation, with continuing high rates of poverty and food insecurity, make South Asia one of the most vulnerable regions to the impacts of climate change. In general, past and present climate trends and variability in South Asia can be characterized by increasing air temperatures, and there is an increasing trend in the intensity and frequency of extreme events in South Asia over the last century. Temperature projections for South Asia for the 21st century suggest a significant acceleration of warming over that observed in the 20th century. The projected impacts of climate change in South Asia will vary across sectors, locations, and populations. Temperature rise will negatively impact crop yields in tropical parts of South Asia, where these crops are already being grown close to their temperature tolerance threshold. While direct impacts are associated with rise in temperatures, indirect impacts due to water availability and changing soil moisture status and pests and diseases incidences are likely to be felt. The most significant impact are likely to be borne by smallholder rain-fed farmers, who constitute the majority of farmers, and other marginalized communities in this region. They possess a low financial and technical capacity to adapt to climate variability and change. The coping capacity of the rural poor, especially in the marginalized areas, is low, and there is a need to mainstream the good practices for adaptation to climate change into sustainable development planning in the region. An improved understanding of the climate change impacts, vulnerabilities, and the adaptation practices to cope with climate change could help this process. And hence, the Conclave aims to address aspects of food security